Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google AI Bart by simply uploading images and asking Bart to analyze the images and essentially reproduce the best alternative on the image. You can extract a lot of information from it. Let me show you. So when you actually log in over here on Bart, right, underneath where you actually enter the prompts, there is a small picture with a small plus sign over here. When you click on it, you're able to upload any picture you want. So in our case, we are going to click and we are going to scroll all the way here and we're going to click this car. We're going to select the Ferrari, okay? Now we're going to ask, can you change the color of the car to red? Let's try to experiment. No, it's might be hard for Bart AI first of all to figure it out, but let's wait and see. Then we can get even deeper. We're gonna ask much harder things to analyze, okay? Unfortunately, I cannot directly change the color of the image. However, there are a few ways that you can do it yourself. I know that. Let's ask what you can do with the image. I should have been more specific. Since I don't currently have access to the image you sent, I can't offer specific actions to you. However, here are some general things you can do. Okay, so why Bart AI has add image function if you can't do anything with it? Right, then let's ask him. Let's see because curious, why would you have a built-in feature for adding photos or images but you cannot do anything about it, right? Let's find out. You're right, I can directly manipulate images like changing colors or adding elements. However, the ability to add images still serves important enhancing understanding of communication. Okay, so let's ask, what have you learned from the image I uploaded? Well, I can't really process manipulate context understanding. So why I can't say directly learning from the image the same way? I'm still in development. Okay. Let's see what Bart is currently updating on. As a large language module, I'm constantly learning and evolving. Knowledge and understanding, I'm being trained for ever larger devices, text code, reasonable problem. So guys, I think that eventually in the future they might actually opt for the same business model as ChatGPT. So they're gonna stop updating the free version, right? So they're gonna leave a lot of people using the old data and having the limited capabilities like ChatGPT, the free version, sitting on 3.1 or 3.5. Okay, and essentially everything else should be upgraded version, because I really cannot see what they're actually doing. Okay, so if I say let's try something. Can you write me a trading strategy for Bitcoin day trading? Let's see, because we've tried this one with ChatGPT, it worked well. Let's see, market analysis. I don't need general information. I don't need general information. I need a detailed plan with numbers and actions, right? We need an action plan. We don't need economics for third grade. Let's see. Unfortunately, it is irresponsible for me to provide a detailed training plan for specific numbers. Technical analysis, okay, blah blah blah. Trading strategies, risk management, stop loss. Can you write a code based on this? I'm kind of disappointed over here, guys. We've been getting much more out of ChatGPT on these topics. Yeah, I don't think they can actually help us with this. I think ChatGPT is doing better job on this. Sure, it's much more developed, but but AI could have been doing much easier this stuff, these tasks in particular. Okay, guys, let me know if you had better experience or if you use better prompts. But obviously, so far we simply cannot get the idea why it's so limited.